Okay, Sharper Image 2-pack of race quads. There's the little flag that comes with them and the finish line. I just set them out there. I'm going to see about running around those things for a minute. Okay, we'll start with the black one. I also got a soccer field flag sitting there on the corner, but I don't know if there's a rate switch on this. I can't remember. Is there a rate switch on this? Yeah, there is. There is a rate switch. Put it in expert. Now they're a little faster. Get a whiz by the camera here. They're not super fast, but they are altitude hold, and I can't stand altitude hold. Keep wanting to control the throttle. I'll use that other flag to go around too. See, I keep wanting to use the throttle, so I'm losing my altitude. It's the problem with altitude holding me. I don't even know if you guys can see this thing on the camera. I don't even know if you can hear me. There's your yaw rate and expert. There's your roll. There's your pitch. There's your going down. There's your going up. I got to get it in the camera first. All right. Get it over here. Right in front of the camera, hopefully. Roll, pitch, down, up. Not very responsive on the down. It's more responsive on the up. This is the altitude hold, and I don't like it. All right, let's fly the white one, see what happens here. Come back over here. White one out. Okay, here's the white one. We're in beginner mode. It does need some trim here. Seriously need some trim here. Have it on a level surface. That's better. Okay, let's run this one around, see what happens. Beginner mode. And there I go trying to change the throttle again. Yep. I just can't do this altitude hold stuff. Go to expert mode. That's rate 2. I don't know if I'm keeping it in the camera at all. I'm not even flying around the flags really. Certainly not crossing the finish line. They're not super fast, but they're okay for what they are. They work better than a lot of other micro altitude holds. Okay, that's enough of that. Alright. Well, there's your outdoor flight. Just a little bit of messing around. Thanks. Okay, sorry about that. I don't know what happened with the video, but it rudely cut me off out there. I didn't realize it until I got home and looked at the videos. But I'm back home now, and so I'm adding this little tidbit onto the end of the video. So anyway, there you go, sharper image, 2-pack racer, 2-pack drone and flag drone racer set. And I don't know why I got to call everything drones, because technically these are not drones, they are multi-rotors or quadcopters. I'll get into that in another video. But there you go. They did okay outside, even in a slight breeze. They're not too fast. They are altitude hold, and my personal preference is not to have altitude hold. I do not like it personally. But they are good for a beginner, and I do kind of like them. You do get the good transmitters, decent transmitters. You get the 2 quads, they seem really decent. I don't see anything really wrong with them, other than my personal preference on the altitude hold. So, yeah, there they are. Got an outdoor flight, and I will have a link for the unboxing video that I did of these in the description, so you can check that out as well. So, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next video.